Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcoin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Excel video and today's topic is that pivot table in Excel. What is pivot table? Pivot table is a powerful data processing tool through which we can summarize, calculate, analyze our data, and also we can compare, use some filter, trends in our data. So today's trend is that we can use this pivot table for our big data, or within a table present lots of data within there, and we can find out some part of that table, some column, some row using some filter tools. So pivot table provide this type of facility and which is so much useful in Excel. So today I will discuss step by step how to use pivot table in Excel with proper example. So go to the computer screen. Hello friends, I am just within the Excel sheet and here some table is given, and the table is that for order details of fruits and vegetables in the year 2023. So this table actually define a particular country which import some fruits and vegetables from different country in a particular date and have the quantity and also the amount and provide the order ID. So these are the order ID, and each and every order ID have the product name, the category should be either fruit or vegetable, how many quantity in kg, the amount in rupees, in which date and from which country it import. Okay. Now today's topic is that what is pivot table in Excel. Actually pivot table is used for data processing, or we can say pivot table is actually a data processing technique through which we can summarize the data, we can generate report, we can filter different row and column data from a large amount of data present in a table. Okay, so how to do this pivot table using some large amount of data present in a table in Excel. So at first what happened, we should select the total part, the column name and the data with everything should select. So we have select from order ID to Philippines. This is the total data within the table. At first it's select, then go insert and then choose pivot table. So there is another dialog box is there. The range should be given. The order ID range start from E6 and the Philippine it is K16. That's why E6 to K16 is given. And we want to create this pivot table in a new sheet. So that's why we choose new worksheet. So just press OK. So just see in the sheet 5 is a new sheet where we do our pivot table, and sheet 1 this is the actual data within the present within a table format. Now what we do, at first we take this order ID as row, then choose this category as is filter, and then suppose we choose here the country as the column and the amount as the value. So based on this selection this table is generated. So what happened, we just select that and we go to the home, and if we just center it and increase the font, and then we just enlarge each and every column according to freely visible each and every country name into there. So we just increase the column size. Okay, so in what happened is given into there. So in that particular case the sum of amount is given for each and every country, because a particular country is import some fruits and vegetables, so the amount is given on that basis. So category is all, suppose we choose the category is only fruit and press OK. So just see Bangladesh is only provide the amount for its fruit, Canada is also the same, France is also the same, India is also the same, Philippines is also the same, and it find out the grand total from the fruit category. If we choose the category is vegetables only, then same way the country will be change, because some country is there, from a particular countries import the vegetables. So England have this amount 8,000, Germany is 10,000, that way the total amount is there. So we can select a particular filter position using this pivot table. Means if we select all for that case category, so we get all the data from there, and each and every particular country is concerned, how much amount they are import from that country is concerned, either fruit or vegetables. So this is the way. So we are using this pivot table generated using different field. The filter, we are filtering on basis of category, column using here the country, the rows the order ID, and value means we are sum up how much amount they are actually import, means when they are import the fruits or vegetable from a particular country, how much pay to that country for a particular country is concerned. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is very simple. What is pivot table in Excel? Actually, pivot table in Excel is a technique through which we are data processing, and also we can summarize the data, because this data will come from this big table, and this table contain all concerning matters, whatever the order ID, product name, category, quantity. But in sheet 5, when we build a pivot table, some column we are using here to calculate a particular field. Here we find out the sum of amount. So this particular field is generated from this large amount of data, means we are summarizing the data from a big data, means the data is present in a table in a big data format, means in a big amount of data is present in a table, and from there we take some part of that. So the pivot table is do that, means we are just data processing technique, and also is a summarize, we generate a report and also filter some matter is concerned. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have still some doubts on today's topic, please write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it and keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.